Good afternoon. My name is Richard Bridges, and I want to welcome you to my first introductory YouTube video. I am an inspirational speaker, writer, and I have started my own YouTube channel to basically inspire and try and uplift anyone who may be having a difficult time battling through some of the inevitable circumstances that we all face in life. Mine personally, or my personal story was one, I was in an automobile accident in 1998 while working for a major airline in Atlanta, Georgia. And ultimately, I suffered through depression as a result of my injuries, dependence on medication, and basically my life spiraled out of control. Also learned a lot about the people at that time who were around me. I didn't really understand it, but later on with restoration and recovery, I began to understand not only did I want to better my life from the causes of the accident, but I wanted to also better my life, realizing that there was more to life with the things and the people or the circumstances I was in at that time. So it is my hope that anyone who chooses to subscribe or tune in, that through my writing and my speaking that I share on this channel, that others will gain hope and inspiration and realize, even if they're thinking that it's just no way that they can go another day, or somehow they don't know how they can even possibly make it through some particular trying situation, I'm personally here to share and to tell you that yes, you can. That tomorrow the sun does come out again, regardless of how much or how bad the storms of life may be raging against you at this present time. So it is my hope that you will subscribe, tune in, and basically enjoy and be uplifted by all of my future postings on the YouTube channel. And personally know that if you do, that each message, although I may not ever meet you personally or even talk to you, but each message truly comes with my prayers and my heart going out to you, that you too can realize that life does and can get better. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for allowing me to share this introductory message, and I look forward to you joining me again here on my YouTube channel. God bless you.